Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About number 5, I can put into 9 minus 4. About this one, we can put like this. Because the negative side will change the sign of this one, and you got this one in here. And this is about identity. So we have 2 minus s everything to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I need to put about 2 minus s equal to 3 sine t, because if I put this one go in here, we got about 9 sine t square. Number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify number 3 over 2 and ds. Next, I need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 3 cosine t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to 3 cosine t dt. Next, we have s, so I will put negative s go to the right, and 3 sine t will go to the left. So 2 minus s we change by this one. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. This one we have 9 sine t square. This one we need to expand. So number 9, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. Next, 9 with the power 3 over 2, we have about 27. Cosine t square to the power of 3 over 2, we have cosine t to the power of 3. Next, we need to simplify 3 cosine t on numerator and denominator. And then I will put the negative sign go in here. And number 9, I will put outside. So we have 4 divided by cosine t square, sine t divided by cosine t square, and this one divided by cosine t square. This one that's about 4 secant of t square. This one is about 9 tan t square. And we know that tan t square that's about secant of t square minus 1. So we need to expand this one. So 9 secant of t square with 4 secant of t square, we have 13. Now the integration of secant of t square, you got about 10t. This one you got about 9t. So we have number 13 tan t minus 9t. Now we just have this one left. So negative 1 over 9 with negative number 12, you got about positive 12 over 9. And we have the integration, this one in here. Now I will show you the technique how to find this integration. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. You got about negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so I will put the negative next to dz. This one we have z square sine t dt, we change by negative dz. The integration of this one, we have 1 over z, and we put about c. About z, that's about cosine t. So this integration, that's about 1 over cosine t. And then we put about c, that's about the constant. So about t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 3. And then we have t equal to all sides of this one. So we put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.